Mabilis ang healthy na baon dahil na-late ako nagising. This one, super quick lang, pero healthy pa rin. Para ma-make sure natin na healthy siya, ifa-follow natin yung Go, Grow, Glow. Peanut butter sandwich yung ating go. Siyempre, gagamitan natin ng cutter para kahit papano nice pa rin siyang tignan. Train yung gagamitin natin. Kasi, nagbuo kami ng trains dito. So, after ng baon vlog, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung binuo namin na train. Ayan. So, pang sandwich lang talaga siya. Para hindi na bulky, shoot ko lang dun sa bag. You have to make sure pala na shoot yung rubber niya para ma-seal ng maayos. Pag ganito mga bento, baon, kung gusto niyo ng mga cutesy, always kayo mag-stock up sa sliced cheese, sa nori, pwede rin ham. Kasi yung mga konting toppings na ganyan, it makes a difference for me na nag-a-add talaga siya ng oomph. So, sa mga pics, feeling ko ang pwede lang is itong clouds. Parang yun yung magiging usok nung train. Uy! Meron akong train! Meron akong train. Kita niyo ba? Ayan, meron pala akong train na pic, so pwede natin isama. Oo, pwede natin lagyan ng mata yung train. Sa cars, di ba? Buhay yung mga cars. Glow, fruits or veggies, so banana. Perfect partner din naman yun ng peanut butter. Then, yan. Flower shape, pero uubra na rin siya na parang clouds, ganun. Yan, 2 pieces, parang enough na. Just so hindi magmukhang bare yung ating baunan. Lagay na natin yung mga kinot. Go, grow, and glow. What do you call a train that sneezes? A choo-choo train. Aba, hooray! Say hi!
Look, I made that
That one, as ganyan.
Oh.
yeah.
Oh, Katie, listen to Daddy, oh. May utos si Daddy. Merong letter I. Ikakabit natin dito sa tore. Tapos, yan. Dalawang tore connected dun sa letter I.
Look, I
Yes! You did it! Just
I
like
made
that.
two.
Yeah.
It's like a dancing glue, but oopsie.
Tingnan nga.
Baggy bago, baggy bago.
Hindi!
Slim. Hi. This is not slim.
Dito yung classical
Yung gate
train.
na malaki. oh.
Classical slim like this.
Yeah.
Classical slim.
Wow! Kasha sila! The minions are kasha sa train. Pero pahiga.
Yung battery.
Pahiga nga lamang. Abaw.
Wow.
Abaw.
Oh no, yes.
Ma,
Chicken. Saga, saga, sisi. Saga, saga, sisi. Go silanga.
did you like it?
Yeah.
Woo! Medyo wild to ah.
Isa pa. Wala.
That was so much fun.
Ba, may konting paghihirap siya doon, ah.
Oo nga.
May uphill, eh.
Alam mo kung bakit? May
Bakit?
nakasakay na minion eh.
Ah,
The jelly was fast. Look at that.
kamay mo nakaharang. Wow!
Wow, it's everything now.
Oh, it stopped.
Look, it's going out. It's going out.
Ito is up first.
Now, yay! They're all together.
Oh no! Bob!
Bahala!
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Gets mo na ba't may isa pa sing for bigger trucks.
Okay na yan.
Kiss me.
That's big na nga, eh.
Wala, naghahabulan sila.
Hala, bakit parang nagkadikit na sila, lab?
Run, 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 run!
was just a little girl. I asked my mommy, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here's what he said to me. Que sila, sila, whatever it will be. The future's not us, you see. Que sila, sila, que sila, sila. Da, 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 da. That's all.
Sobrang bilis naman nun, anak.
That's all na.